And sometimes young pitchers don't know the art of that yet.
Scherzer hits this ball well to right. That is beyond the reach of Cedric Hunter. Ramos home. Here comes Espinosa. Max Scherzer adds 2, and the Nats lead 5-0. Career RBIs number 5 and 6.
High fives in the third base dugout. Max Scherzer doing some damage. Look at the look on Max at second base. First double of the season. And Max is saying, oh, you're going to walk him to get to me, huh? It was the right move. It just didn't work. And Max Scherzer hit that ball a ton.
Look at Joe Ross smiling.
Hitting coach happy. Players happy. Boys are having fun.